Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. Blank learning is a form of learning in which the organism observes and imitates the behavior of others. Psychological, classical, social, operant. Cognitive learning focuses on how we deal with anxiety and stress on a daily basis, focuses on how information is obtained, processed, and organized, focuses on the impact of nature versus nurture on childhood development and learning. In the 1930s, what did Edward Tolman discover from his experiments? The animals will be aggressive if they see another animal do the same, that people will generally be afraid of the same things, such as spiders or the dark, that animals can make cognitive maps to understand the world around them. When people have tried and failed at a certain event or idea many times and begin to feel like their attempts are useless, this is called A. Learned helplessness, B. Latin learning, C. Cognitive thinking. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the word boxes below. A person who feels they will never do well on a science test because they have always been bad at science is experiencing blank in learned helplessness. A person who says they will never be successful because they are never good at anything is experiencing blank in learned helplessness. Socialization, globality, stability, internality. When we learn from observing and imitating others, this is known as A. Acting, B. Modeling, C. Tracing. True or false? During the Bobo doll experiment, Albert Bandura and his colleagues demonstrated that children who observe aggressive behaviors will most likely be aggressive in return. True, false. A systematic way to change people's actions and feelings. A. Behavior modification, B. Latin learning, C. Meditation. Give an example of a reward in a token economy. You may use the audio option to record your answer. How do we learn through social learning? A. By a reaction to a stimulus in our environment. B. By rewards and punishments from others. C. By copying and observing others in the world around us.